Is your Midea dishwasher not draining properly? This is actually a very common issue that affects about 15 to 20% of Midea dishwasher units within their first 3 to 5 years of operation. Understanding the root causes of these drainage problems is essential for effective troubleshooting. There are 3 main categories of issues, each with different frequencies and solutions. The most frequent cause is food debris accumulation, which accounts for approximately 60% of all drainage problems. This includes large food particles blocking filters, grease buildup in drain components, and accumulated soap scum and mineral deposits. The second category is mechanical failures, representing about 25% of drainage cases. These include drain pump malfunctions, damaged or kinked drain hoses, and faulty drain solenoids. The third category covers installation issues, which make up approximately 15% of drainage problems. These involve improper drain hose positioning, inadequate garbage disposal connections, or plumbing system backups. Before attempting any troubleshooting, safety must be your first priority. Always disconnect both the power and water supply to your dishwasher before beginning any inspection or repair work. After ensuring safety, check for any error codes displayed on your dishwasher's control panel. These codes provide valuable diagnostic information that can help identify the specific type of drainage problem you're dealing with. Now that you understand the common causes and have completed the initial safety assessment, you're ready to begin systematic troubleshooting. The next section will guide you through detailed step-by-step procedures for each type of drainage issue. First, we need to access the filter assembly. Remove the bottom dish rack to expose the filter system located at the bottom center of the dishwasher tub. Now locate the cylindrical filter assembly. This consists of a coarse cylindrical filter and a fine mesh filter underneath. Unscrew the cylindrical filter by turning it counterclockwise. Remove the fine mesh filter carefully by lifting it out. Clean both filters thoroughly using warm water and a soft brush. Inspect them for any cracks or damage that would require replacement. Step 2 involves inspecting the drain pump. You may need to remove the toe panel at the bottom of the dishwasher to access the pump housing. Check for any visible obstructions and remove debris. Step 3 is examining the drain hose. Locate the connection points under your sink and at the dishwasher. The hose should have a high loop or air gap to prevent backflow, and check for any kinks or damage. If you find blockages in the drain hose, use a plumber's snake to clear them. The technical drain assembly shows how all components connect together for proper drainage flow. Regular maintenance is key to preventing drainage issues. Remove debris from filters weekly, perform complete filter cleaning monthly, and inspect drain connections quarterly. This routine maintenance can prevent up to 85% of drainage problems.